The first step we're asked to do it was to make 3 folders containing different files, image, text, or videos. It could be audio in any of them. So we're asked to duplicate 3 folders, which we are going to use in our source, which is the flash drive. So next we connected this is okay. I think we'll leave that one first. Sorry, we'll do everything here. Then later on.
Okay, maybe
interface.
Let's
do this one first. Let's try it here first before we move it to the interface side. Because every screen here is still the same thing we're going together. So this is our destination haptics or SSD. I don't know what this is, but this is the destination. We're going to make an image of this flash into this destination. So this is called the source, this is called the destination. So now that everything is connected, we're going to turn on the imager. You can see it initializing, starting to initialize, starting applications. So a bunch of stuff has showing up on the menu. We'll explore it and see what it is. Now, we are trying to find out which of the copying we are going to do. There's clone, there's a physical image disk, and go down. And there's logical image disk. Logical image disk will probably just copy everything in the file into the destination here. But we want to copy including metadata, like when the files were created and probably the computer that was used to make those files. So we are going to choose physical image. Okay. Here we entered physical imaging. Then we are going to choose the source is USB. If it's not correct, you can edit it by the edit button here. But since it's correct already, showing USB 3.
It's showing USB 3 and here is showing source USB. So,
it should be correct. So you want to edit it?
No, I'm saying here USB 3.
It's not USB 1 now. This is USB S1.
Okay.
So we're choosing USB stick S1. Then we go down. All the partition, of course, we want to copy. If you don't want to copy all the partition, you can edit. You can edit it by this side. But I want to copy all the partition, then go down. So destination is the eSATA B port. You can see the eSATA B is showing there. Is the eSATA here. So physical image type is the E01. Remember E01? Encasing. Yeah. Go ahead. Hash type MD5 hash type is what we are selecting. Yeah, we're going to start physical imaging right now. Alright, start. So running physical image 0.03% completed. So because of time, 7 minutes is going to take in total to make a copy of this. So I'm going to pause the video. So you can see that it's finished copying, is verifying now. Physical image finished. MD5. The hash is showing there, and verification is passed. So you're going to click now.
Listen. Should you just view it first on the system? Okay, click OK.
It looks okay. It looks okay. So click OK. So you can see this will be the name of the image and the version.
That's the initial thing.
So we are done here. So the thing now is, so we will turn it off. We're going to turn it off, then remove this source, put here on the destination, so that we can delete the second folder. Abi?
Yeah.
But we are no longer going to use this interface. We are going to try to see if we can use the web interface.
That's interesting. That's what I want to find out first too.
So now we've been able to remove the source, which is a flash drive. We put it inside the destination site. Then we've connected the port here to enable us access it via the web browser. So the equipment is on right now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to find out the IP address of this device so that we can use it to access it via here. So this is the IP address.
Okay.
This is the IP address for this device. How did we get it? We got it from coming to CTO network. CTO network is when you come to, this is a normal welcome screen. So you come here, perform action, settings, disk info, go to settings. Let's see settings. So system settings, source network settings, destination network settings, CTO network settings. So if you come here, you can view it, CTO enabled, CTO network, CTO MAC address, CTO network mode, and CTO IP address 10.10.0.1. So what we are going to do is we are going to open this IP address, having this connected on the web browser. So this is the IP address on the web browser. So what we are going to do next, to enable us access the device, we're supposed to enter the username and the password, which for now we don't know and we can't remember. So we're going to so the password for the web interface is admin and admin. So this is how the web interface looks like. So what we are going to do now is going to find out how we can delete. We're going to access this destination here, and then find out how we can delete the second folder, because we have 3 folders inside here. The second folder from here. So we'll play around with it, and then we'll find out what to do next. So we've been able to access the USB. We had to change the port. You have to change it to this other port. Yeah. It may not be the port anyway. It may not be the port. We just have to try it. So after that, we came over to here. Partition. Somewhere here. I see myself. My resolution is poor. What is happening to this phone? What kind of resolution is this? So we came over to I have to record a new one. The resolution is too poor.
You just continue.
But I can't see it now. See.
What's happening?
I don't know what's happening now. It's already 1 times. Okay. So I came over to, you can see that there are 2 ports, destination USB DA1 and destination SD card. This is destination USB DA1. The SD card is what you're seeing here. The blue stuff. There's an SD card there. So once you do that, you can come over to here, partition to view different partition, and then come to preview. So when you come to preview, you'll be able to access your flash drive, and you see the first file we copied, the image, the text, and the videos. Then the system volume information is also there. So what we're going to do now is to delete the second one, which fortunately is text. You're just going to delete normal delete, not secure delete, and see what can happen. What thing that happened to my system?
Your phone.
Exposure focus are locked. So we couldn't do secure delete. We couldn't do a delete of a particular folder. Inside here it was hard because any of these options seems to delete everything. All of this seems to delete everything, and that wasn't what we wanted. So we were asked to put the hard drive, the flash, into our computer. Then we deleted the particular folder, which is the folder 2, the text folder. Deleted it. So now we want to create the second image now, which you're about to do. You're going to create an image of this flash drive into this
We've done that already.
destination. We've done that already.
So we need to even record this time.
Yeah, so
Just tell him do it second.
So just we select all zeros. Okay. Secure is normal. Erase destination disk USB secure erase enhanced. Now we choose normal. Okay,
and try and see.
and try again.
Yeah.
Press. Oh, it's failed. It doesn't support here, as you said. Why it doesn't support? Secure resonance.
You know, some flash drives are somehow. Even my own flash drive, it was giving me that issue.
Try to choose another erase mode.
Oh, clear partition table. So we have unit under partition.
Clear partition table is quick erase.
Quick
You know, like that. Just clear the partition table. I try to another.
Do you declare?
The other clean. Yeah. I just worried about is there any mode to support this
Flash, yeah.
this flash?
Thing is running 1%.
Yeah,
It's running.
it's running. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like the other ones didn't support the flash.
There are some standards, deletion standards, so you can use any one of them. Okay,
Okay.
doesn't matter. I think it works.
Mm-hmm.
Now, after the process,
Yes.
you will take an image again.
Yes.
It's third image file,
Yes.
and then lastly, we will try to load the document again to the flash disk
Okay.
and format
Okay.
it, and then take another image file. Okay.
But by formatting, is it not the erasing? Is it quick erase you're going to use, or what erase are we going to use?
Now for formatting,
Should we
there should be
consistent to
there should be format options here.
We only
also.
have erase. Quick erase. Okay.
There is no format.
No format.
options?
No format.
to format?
Yeah, you can use computer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Then we'll take the final image,
Yeah.
The fourth one.
There is another equipment which I present about it. Tableau.
Yeah.
There should be some document about it inside of the course.
That was
both of them.
First material we used.
Yeah.
here.
Both equipment. The aim of both equipment are same.
Yeah. Imaging tools.
Yeah, we use both equipment for imaging devices. So you can do the same thing by using the other equipment. Doesn't matter if you feel free time after the course time. You can try. Okay. And also there are some extra equipments here. I think I talked about that equipments inside of the course. Like here, ultra dark, we say.
Ultra dark?
Yeah. Actually, you can use this device for taking image file. It is modular, portable, so you can take it to another place. You can go and take the image file.
Yes.
It's also write protected.
Okay.
But you need a host computer to use this device also. Okay. There is eraser. This we try to delete the files, secure erase.
Yes.
This device also can secure erase any device. Okay. And data diode. Do you know electronic equipment diode?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. It is just it can flow one way. Yeah. So if we can we use this term for data can flow from one side to another side. It cannot flow opposite flow. Okay.
Yes.
So this device using for that. And lastly, write protected devices. So if you want to take a copy of any device,
yes,
you can use this device.
Write blocker.
Yeah, write blocker. It's important because we don't like to change the data inside of the original device because it is important for court. Yeah. So we can use this device for non-writing or non-changing any data inside of the original device. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Another one more device is there. I want to show you this also. This also belongs to CRU, the same company. Yeah. The aim of this device, you can take image or copy very fast because there are 4 different slots. You can at the same time 4 disks, and you can take copy from one to another. So both of them are write protected. Okay. The other both of them write and read. You can write and read data. Okay. If you use more than one these devices, you can take a copy at the same time, like 4 different copy or 16 different copy at the same time. It's also used for digital forensic. Okay. Also, you have to use via a host computer. There is connection, USB connection to the computer, host computer. Okay. Yeah, and you can manage via the computer to the copy of the disk. Okay. Okay. When you finish this process, next week, inshallah, we will use Soyuz. network monitoring.
Okay.
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 So finish this process, and then I'll check.
All right, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So this is the last imaging we are doing. We have formatted the flash. So we are doing the last imaging right here. So we are already on upload to 9.1%.